What's up guys? So welcome to a brand new video. I'm here at the Hong Kong International Airport and I'm just waiting here at my boarding gate and we are flying to Bali, Indonesia. A paradise known for its breathtaking landscapes, stunning waterfalls, mesmerizing beach clubs, thrilling activities, and mouth-watering food. Join us as we explore the best this beautiful island has to offer. So guys, we have arrived here in Bali, Indonesia, and I'm really excited to be here for this trip and see what we can explore in Bali. But yeah, we arrived 30 minutes earlier than expected. My fiance is also going to arrive 30 minutes earlier, so I'm just gonna go around the airport and wait for her or look for something to eat. And when you guys arrive here, before you guys head to the immigration, you guys will have to sign this QR code, this health code, because of COVID-19 before you guys go to the immigration. So we'll do that now. Alright, so now I am with my fiance. Now we just booked Grab. We just booked our Grab to our hotel. Also got a SIM card from Telecom. What was that? What's the name? Telkomsel. It was around 450,000 IDR, which will last us for a month. But we're only here for 8 days, so that's more than enough for both of us. So now we are in our first hotel, Jabaluwok Oceana. So let's just check in. Let's see if we can check in early, because our check-in is 2 p.m. But now it's, what time is it?
It's 9.
9 a.m. So we'll
9.
see.
It's going to 10.
So guys, unfortunately we didn't get to do an early check-in because the room is not ready yet. The room would be ready at 11 a.m. and our original check-in is at 2 p.m. So there's 2-hour difference, and that will cost us an extra 500,000 rupiah, which is around 200 something Hong Kong, which is already a one-night stay. So I don't think it's worth it. Now we're just looking for a scooter rental. We're gonna go rent a scooter to go around Seminyak, which is near our hotel. Yeah, and find a place to eat. We're thinking of going to Kind Community, which is a very viral place, a popular place to go to.
Very demure. Not very demure. It's too big.
She's struggling with her food. Look at her.
Ayan, bumili kami ng petrol. I don't know if that's...
You got scammed.
He got scammed for 50k IDR.
We just finished eating at the famous Kind Community.
Yeah, I feel...
It's a vegan restaurant, but I don't know.
I feel so healthy.
It's pretty healthy, but I wasn't full enough.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna head to W Hotel, take some pictures, and then go around, and then go to Motel Mexicola for lunch.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll see you guys there. It was literally just a 5-minute drive. 2 minute even. It was like 2-minute drive.
Yeah.
And we're here at the entrance of the W Hotel, which is good for photo taking. So we're just gonna go here and take some photos. So right now we are here at Hotel Mexicola, and we're just here to get some drinks and small appetizers just to waste time, take a lot of aesthetic photos, and yeah, just chill, right?
Yes, it's so hot.
Nainitan
But
ka?
the place is nice.
Nainitan ka?
Init.
But the place is very aesthetic. ordered these drinks with like ice, and they're saying online that we shouldn't order drinks with ice or accidentally drink the tap water or shower water because you're gonna get Bali belly. But I don't think it's real.
Probably it depends on the
I think just some people's stomach is very sensitive. So.
Yeah.
Because the last time I was here, nothing happened to me. So, what's funny is that tumitingin pa kami sa Google Maps where this place is. But everything here in Seminyak is literally just 2 minutes away from each other. So it's very convenient and everything is close to each other. So yeah. So guys, instead of booking Gojek or Grab bike every time, which is gonna cost us a lot, we instead just booked a motorbike for 200,000 IDR for 2 days. We wanted a better bike, a smaller one that looks like a Vespa, but this is what they gave us. But for the coming few days, we're probably just gonna switch bikes. But it is what it is. It moves. So yeah. Now we're gonna head to money exchange because all our money is.
We already spent.
We spent everything. So yeah.
Everything? We spent $100.
$100 already. So.
That's 5K.
So.
Hello guys. We are riding, and we don't know where to go. It's so hot.
So we are now going to check in our room. Look at her. she's so dead tired. 227. She wants to sleep. We're supposed to catch the sunset at the beach, but since this little one is really tired, she's gonna stay in, and I'm just hit the gym upstairs and yeah, get a workout in.
Let's go.
Guys, we just finished a upper body session. Quick one, easy. Then we're gonna head to the swimming pool, take a swim, and then go to the sauna and cold plunge. So let's go. So she's finally awake. Jesus. So this is a swimming pool. There's a slide and a pool bar and then a long swimming pool. So we're just gonna have a swim and then we're gonna head to sauna, and then what do we do next? We're gonna walk around, look for something to eat. So yeah.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
I don't know.
Akala ko magda-dive ka.
I'll try to dive.
Sige, video natin katangahan mo. What was that? It hurts. Ang sakit naman.
Ow. Ow. How the fuck do you dive? Ow. It's her turn to dive. Let's see. Okay, okay. Whatever.
Hey. Look what we found. Tingnan mo, nagkasya siya. Nabuhat ka niyan. What the heck? Uy, bata. Easy bata. Easy bata.
Is this the hotel's or someone else's?
I don't know. Probably.
I want to keep this.
You wanna keep it? Bring it doon sa Pinida. Ha? I don't know, kanino yan. Baliw ka. Nanakawin. Hashtag magnanakaw sa Bali.
Look at this frog. 1, 2, 3, go. Look at this frog. Now we're gonna head to the sauna, and then shower and
Eat.
a lot of food.
Yes.
So this is the cold plunge, and then this is the sauna. Steam room. Yeah. We are gonna head out and look for a place to eat dinner. This is our outfit. Matching. So yeah, we'll see what we'll eat. I think we're gonna try to look for a warung. But yeah, let's see. Some authentic Indonesian food. So instead of using our motorbike to go around, we're just gonna walk around Seminyak because everything is close to each other, and if we ride the motorbike it's gonna be hard for us to, you know, look around. So yeah, nightlife. We change our mind. There's not much restaurants that serves rice meals. More on like burgers, pizza, steaks.
Like American style.
So we're walking around. We found this place called Ambrosia Restaurant. They have like Indonesian food, American food. So we just chose to eat here, and it's pretty affordable price as well. So.
Sa itulog pa po. Anong gagawin ko dito? Gising na. Malawig yung kamay ko. Gising na. Gising na. Oras na.
Good morning, guys. So welcome to day 2 of our Bali series. She woke me up in a weird way. Still really sleepy. It's currently, what time is it? Around 8 something. Yeah. But yeah, she woke up earlier than me to get ready, and yeah, of course, you know, I have to wake up late. But today we are going to head and spend the entire day in Ubud. So we're gonna visit a lot of waterfalls, monkey forest, coffee plantation, and more. So we're gonna head out, eat some breakfast, and then head over there, which is going to take around 30 minutes. 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Or an hour, depends. But yeah, it's the morning, so there's not much traffic. So probably going back is stressful because there's probably gonna have traffic. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Ubud is one of the places that has a lot of people. So we have a really nice view here in our hotel. Look at this view. A plain gray wall. We didn't get the room in front of the swimming pool, but yeah. This is the bag we're gonna use today. It's a 20-liter waterproof bag that she bought from the Philippines. So it's gonna come in handy today since we're gonna encounter a lot of waterfalls and beaches. So yeah, it's gonna be safe. I'm gonna bring all my equipment over here: drone, camera, mic, lens, and yeah.
How is he gonna take that out? You need help? You got it? Wow. You got it, guys. You got it. Alright, guys. So we are heading to Ubud. And it's gonna be 1 hour in, 5 minutes drive. So we have a long road ahead. Shortcut kami. Kailangan namin mag-iba ng daan. It's so traffic sa main road. Like, grabe yung traffic dito. Oh my god, monkey.
So how does it feel to live with your own monkey?
What? Na-encounter ko naman na everyday.
Kaya nga, how does it feel na palagi mo kasama isang unggoy?
It's good.
She got hungry.
I'm hungry.
She got cinnamon Danish, and we got 2 mineral water. How was the experience?
It It was fun.
Unfortunately, we didn't get to experience like any like intense action where the monkey just goes on top of us. Yeah, unfortunately.
They're all
And-
nonchalant.
Yeah, and also tinanggal nila yung tinanggal nila yung selfie with the monkeys. They wanna, how do you say, preserve their behavior,
Yeah.
not to be aggressive and go on people. Yeah.
So we just arrived here at Taglalan Rice Terraces and we're just parking. Pero di namin alam saan
Tegalang,
punta.
sa Tegalang na tayo.
Saan yung way?
Ayun, we're gonna pay for the entrance fee first. Tara.
What are we gonna do there?
Huh?
Swing?
And lunch.
Oh, there's lunch there? That's it. No Coke in the room.
Yeah, just mango juice, that's it.
Just one champur, no Coke, yeah?
We're just having lunch here in Tegalang Rice Terraces. And look at our view. That's our view.
Now we're walking here sa Rice Terraces and we're gonna try the swing later. Sobrang init guys and
We're gonna get some drone shots.
yeah. Oh,
Droning.
there's bridges here. So hot and there's a lot of walking here so kaya dapat ihanda niyo yung mga paa niyo. So stupid. Look at that.
I stepped on a puddle. Oh my god.
Be careful. Ugh.
Oh fuck.
Ugh.
Ah.
Look, you're so dirty na. I have tissue here. Find muna tayo ng masisilungan. So I can punas you. The other side.
This one? Anong experience mo sa swing?
Inig ako. Nanginig yung paa ko.
Sabi kasi,
We don't have pictures here.
sinabi niya dun sa lalaki na wag taasan. Sabi ko taasan, tinaasan nila. So right now we are in Pakel, which is a coffee plantation place. So she's really into coffee. She drinks coffee every single day, and I don't know how many times. But yeah, we are here, and she's excited because we're gonna try a lot of coffee, different flavors of coffee and different types of teas.
Probably.
So I'm just probably gonna enjoy the tea, not the coffee.
Probably the best.
And she's gonna try the luwak coffee, which is a type of animal, and then they poop it out. So
It's a poop coffee.
it's a poop coffee, which is considered to be the most expensive coffee in the world. So we'll try it. Mangosteen, my favorite fruit. It's the best. I think they have a shop here. After you taste, they have a shop here. If you want to buy the coffee or tea. You want to try the luwak coffee? The shit coffee? That's so bitter. You like it?
No.
As a coffee lover, do you like it?
No. Welcome to Tegenungan waterfall. Just arrived here at the entrance and we got our tickets.
I don't know how to pronounce it. Tegenungan?
Tegenungan.
Tegenungan?
Yeah, Tegenungan. And we got our tickets now.
30K rupiah for one
for
person.
one person. So that's already like so cheap.
We're gonna be here for sunset. I hope there's a sun. Fuck, look at my hands.
Oh my god, the sunburn.
This one's white.
There's a lot of stores here. I wanna buy that dress. Yeah, so pretty. God. Oh shit.
Feel the warmth of the summer. I get lost in the colors, golden hours in your eyes. There's a world to discover.